All right, welcome to another episode of Mixing with Robin. I hope you guys have been enjoying all the videos. Today we are doing cheesy potatoes. They are like one of our ultimate favorites that we have at Easter with our ham. We love ham and all kinds of different meats, but these cheesy potatoes are our favorite. So what I've done is I took a 5-pound bag of just russet potatoes, put them in the microwave, wash them good, then put them in the microwave. And I like doing it like that. You can cook them in a big pot of boiling water, but I feel like they soak up too much water until they get to that tender spot, and I just don't like that. So I've started cooking them in the microwave, or you can throw them in an oven if your oven's already going, and just keep an eye on them, and you want them to be like a smashing consistency of like this, just kind of falling out of the skin. Take and spray either a 9x13 or 11x12, whatever, or 14 dish, and then just peel your potato. Some of these got a little more cooked than I want, but the potato itself is good. And I use a potato masher, not a mixer. I don't like using a mixer on potatoes because depending on how starchy they are, they have a tendency to gum up, and I don't like gummy potatoes. So these potatoes, you will peel and just keep putting them in your dish. And then once you get all of these in your dish, you can take and use your potato masher like so. And I'm going to put a few more in so you can see it a little bit better. But you're just going to kind of chunk them like that and mash them up. And they don't have to be super creamy or anything like that. You just want them to be like bite size. Like they can be little soft chunks, and that's fine. You just don't want to bite into a hard potato. All right, we're back and we are putting together our potato dish. I peeled them, mashed them. This was a 5-pound bag of potatoes. And I'm adding I'm shaking it out. This is purely to taste. You can taste this as you go, but around a teaspoon to maybe 2 teaspoons of garlic salt, and then same for garlic powder and onion powder. And then just kind of mix it around. I've used the potato masher to mash this up. And then I used a small sweet onion and chopped it up. And like I said, if you've got people that don't like onion, use a little bit, put it on one end, whatever you would like to do. And then you're gonna take a couple of, probably good handful, maybe 3/4 of a cup of cheese, okay? And this is cojack. I like using the Monterey Jack and cheddar mixed. I think it just is a creamier cheese. It blends well, it melts good, and it tastes really good. So there's something about only using garlic salt in these potatoes. I've tried using salt and pepper, and I don't like it as much as if I just use these 3: onion powder, garlic salt. Then I have a huge container of sour cream here, and I'm gonna show you. I usually put 3 good scoops and then just start mixing it up, okay? You're gonna get it to a consistency because these potatoes are gonna soak up everything you put on them, okay? So you want to put more than what it looks like you need, because when they bake up, it just kind of all melts together. And it's so good. After you get them to this point and you get the sour cream in, take your salt, garlic salt if you need to put more, because you're actually taking away that salt by adding more sour cream in here. Okay, and then just keep mixing this. And I will be back in just a minute, and I'm going to show you what it looks like right when you put it in the oven, okay? right, welcome back. Look what came out of the oven. Aren't these absolutely yummy? Oh my goodness, you guys, these potatoes are so good. 5-pound bag of potatoes. Cook them in the microwave, cook them in the oven, however you like to do them. I just don't like to boil them on the stove. I think they get too much water soaked in. So once you get them finished to almost like a baked potato, peel them, mash them with a potato masher, and spray your dish good. And then chop up a sweet onion. If it's a big onion, you only want a half. And then just dig in once you get it all mixed up with sour cream. You got the onion going and a big handful of cheese. Look at this. Oh my goodness, look at that gooey cheese goodness. You put that on your plate with a roll, some salad, and your ham for Easter, and oh, you're gonna love it. You are going to love it. I hope that you will go to our YouTube channel, Mixin' with Robin. Hope you'll subscribe. I hope you'll try out these cheesy potatoes. They are delicious, and enjoy. I'm gonna try a bite for you, okay? Look at that cheese hanging down, so good. Oh my gosh, you guys. These are good. All right, come visit us on our YouTube channel. Try out these recipes. Try these cheesy potatoes for your Easter dinner this year. And remember, every day may not be a good day, but there is good in every day. And I hope you'll go find it. And I hope you'll give somebody a hug and you'll share your cheesy potatoes with them.